we've got a full work week this week after the holiday last week, and let me tell you, it is full of interesting weather. Today, warm and muggy, but a cold front moves through. That'll cool us down the rest of this week. We've got a decent amount of sunshine tomorrow. The humidity will be back before we know it, and so will good rain chances later this week as the leftovers from Sally could be here in central North Carolina. That's the 22nd version of what's happening this week. Either way, hope you had a great weekend tonight. We're watching a few showers and thunderstorms, most of which are departing the area ahead of the cold front that's about to move through in the next couple of hours. So here's some heavy downpours down in parts of Fayetteville, Cumberland County, Rayford, parts of Hope County, moving to the south. Nothing severe, nothing significant. And as you look at the big picture, that's about all there is. So the front coming through, there's not a lot of rain and thunderstorms with it. There's just a few, and it's basically what you see behind me. There's a couple more downpours moving through parts of Chatham County, about ready to head over Jordan Lake. Other than that, it's mostly dry tonight and mostly warm and muggy. I say mostly because some of us have already started to cool off into the 70s. Southern half of our viewing area is still into the 80s, and it's still pretty muggy outside, but that's going to go away temporarily after the cold front comes through. So as we go hour by hour through tonight and overnight, there's your clouds, your little bit of rain, and more importantly, the cold front. After the cold front, we dry out, we'll clear out, and can you believe we'll get all the way down to 61 by Tuesday morning? We'll do it with a decent amount of sunshine, but as we look at the big picture, there are two main things that are going to impact us, and they couldn't be more opposite from each other. You know, generally when we get into this time of year, late September into October, as soon as we get a really strong cold front, maybe two of them, we can kind of shut down our tropics alerts because cold fronts usually shut down our tropical season. Doesn't always work out that way. A lot of times it does. There's our cold front, but in the same breath, I got to tell you, down here in the bottom part of your screen, Hurricane Sally will move inland tomorrow, but the leftover rain will move up the east coast and impact us later this week. So let's enjoy the cold front. Here we are later tonight. Skies already starting to clear out, rain departing, and then we get throughout the day tomorrow. Not a whole lot to talk about. Look which direction, I'm going to fly through the day. Look which direction everything's kind of coming from, the north. Remember last week, the week before, everything coming from the south, how muggy it was? So with a northerly flow tomorrow and dry weather, it's going to feel a whole lot better. But then look what happens on Wednesday. Here we are, 7 a.m. Wednesday. Watch Wednesday where everything's coming from. It's coming from the south again. So the humidity is going to come back. Rain starts to come back late Wednesday, but most of the day is dry. The biggest threat of rain this week will be Thursday. Here we are at 8 a.m. Thursday and into Friday. Good rain chances. Probably not enough to cause any flooding, but 1 to 3 inches of rain, not out of the question later this week as Hurricane Sally will significantly weaken and not be a major wind maker or severe weather maker for us, but it will bring us some rain. Tonight, it's strengthened to a Category 2 hurricane with 100-mile-per-hour winds, and it's a slow mover. We know how those work. It's only moving 6 miles per hour, so our friends in the Gulf Coast from Louisiana over to Florida have a lot to worry about the next couple of days. As I said, it will continue to slowly move either toward Louisiana, Alabama, Mississippi, or the Florida Panhandle, making landfall sometime the second half of tomorrow, then weakening significantly, but making that right-hand turn where it will weaken significantly, but still bring us some rain. And as I showed you as we went to commercial, look at all the other activity out there. This is the potential impact on the United States, and you can see most of those systems will not impact us, but Sally will hurt our friends on the Gulf Coast in the next 24 hours, and then eventually bring us some leftover low-impact rain. But enjoy the 70s with low humidity Tuesday and Wednesday as we look at your extended forecast. Wet days Thursday and Friday with temperatures in the 70s. And this weekend we dry out with highs around 70. So fall, which officially arrives next Tuesday, will start to feel like it over the course of this week.